All right, I'm making this video quickly. It's Saturday night. I believe it is the 3rd. Just want to do a little quick demo here to show you how this Bassbreaker sounds and works. We're on the dirty channel now. Oh, sounds good. It's working. This is the reverb. I'm going to crank it up here. I'm going to lower it down now. All right, but this is the middle channel here, which is the that's with the gain up to about 9, and is the super high gain, I guess, is the lead channel. All right, that's not even a gain. Oh, if you turn it up more. Alright, so that's that. Over to the clean channel now. This is the bright channel. The bright switch off. This is just a plain. I don't want to make it too loud. It's late here, but. Nice clean sound, nice chiming. Here's with the bright. This is the only other thing you'd really do. So there you have it.